Are you still charging your iPhone to 100% every single night? Stop right there. You might think you're starting the day off right, but you're actually hurting your phone's battery in the long run. See, lithium-ion batteries, like the one in your iPhone, really don't like being kept at a full charge for long periods. Leaving it plugged in all night, every night, slowly degrades the battery's health, and you'll notice it holding less and less charge over time. But don't worry, there's a super simple fix built right into your phone. Just go to your settings, tap on battery, then battery health and charging, and make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. With this setting, your iPhone learns your daily routine, charges up to 80%, and then waits to finish that last 20% right before you wake up. It's a tiny change that can literally add years to your battery's life. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.